Alright guys, it's been a couple of days, in fact a few months since I have shot a video dedicatedly properly. So today we have received HDDSurgery 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch Rampset for Western Digital 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. So this is an unboxing video for that particular tool from HDDSurgery, and after we shoot this video in a couple of days, we are going to compare the Rampset with Apex Lab tool Rampset, and also vis-a-vis ER tools. I don't want to compare these kind of tools to those Chinese crap stuff that is sold all across, those white color ones. Those are no good, although many of you have them, and I can assure you that you have purchased them all at a very expensive price from a bloated priced website. So anyway, now we are going to go to the clean room where I'm going to get dressed up, and then we are going to open that box and have a look at the tool. Let's see how it is. Fortunately, the customs has not opened up the parcel this time, so +1 to the customs, because there was only one tool. Whenever there are more set of tools, I don't know what they think is inside, so they keep doing that. So okay, see you guys. Let's go into the clean room for the next clip. Okay guys, this is the parcel I was talking about, and this has been shipped to me using UPS. I have never experienced the UPS service in India, but I am very happy to inform you that these guys called me up. They took my import-export registration number, and they also took my GST number, and I did not give any more documents, and I got the parcel. Now let's start opening up the parcel and see what is inside the parcel. So I will use my surgical blade. This is the parcel that has come out. And there is nothing more, but there is definitely some documentation on the top. So this documentation we don't need to bother much, so we will ignore this. So here is the box, and packing is great as usual. We have a white colored box. They have put from and to over there on this also. Shipping by which company is also mentioned. Now let's open it up and have a look what are the contents inside. Fine, so surgical blade has done its work. So we have this foam on the top, and we have the foam inside, and we have the tool right here. So let's grab our tool from here. Here it is, and keep it onto this area. No more use of the box currently, so let's close it. I'll keep it secure in case I need to ship it somewhere in future might be. So here is the product. Let's open this thing up again. It's in a plastic bag. I think this is a very good thing to do, because in case we have a water damage on the parcel or something like this, I don't think so that the water will ever enter this thing, you know, if this is having a Ziploc kind of a plastic bag. Now let's remove this HDDSurgery tool out. So here it goes. I would always stress that before you guys start working on these tools, any tool might be from HDDSurgery or any tool, make sure that you clean the entire box from inside, outside, remove all dust particles before you take this guy into your clean room, because dust is definitely going to be there, you know, might be on the box if not inside. So let's open this. As I told you last time also, this has a groove here and this also has a groove here. So the idea is that we grab it from the grooves and we open it up like this. So last time also I had explained you that there are 4 magnet catchers on the 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on one side we have the iron. So whenever we put the box like this, it's like crack, it fits like that. So here you see it says HDDSurgery WDC 2.5 inch 3.5 inch Rampset. So now here we open it up. Temporarily I am going to keep it only in this area of my clean room because I plan to clean it later on, and before I put my hands inside this, I'm going to inspect them once. No point in showing each and every Rampset to you. So we will only take out 2 of them, one 2.5 inch and one 3.5 inch, to see the quality. So every Rampset has a pin. I see approximately all pins are there. It's not that because this is a kit, so he is only supplying 2 pins, you know, these pins, so that when we are working on donor and when we are working on our patient drive, we only need 2 of these pins. It's not like that. Each and every tool has a separate pin into it. So let's keep the pin on the side and let's see if I can grab this without that. It's not very easy to grab this and drag it out, so you need a little bit of nails for sure. I do have a little bit of nails here. So this is the Rampset for 2.5 inch and it is basically for single platter, and quality is amazing, very good finish. I think it is anodized also after the CNC work is done, and so having this kind of extreme quality in the tool, what benefit does it have to a guy like us? Why not the cheaper tools? Because the fitting of this product is very good into the, you know, the hard drive RAM based models for the heads. And so this is the single platter one. If you actually see, he has also coded it He says 1, 2, 3, then he says 4, like this. On the top he says 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 4, platters. So technically if we take this guy out, it's going to be like 4 platters, which indeed it is. You can see how big this tool is. This is for the 3.5-inch drives. So again, that same awesome quality. I would say that as far as the quality of the Rampsets are concerned, I don't think so anyone in the world makes a better tool, makes better quality. Pricing is always an issue with a lot of people. There is a lot of complaint about pricing. So I myself have that thought that pricing is very expensive, but if we consider they are in Europe, they are in a country like Serbia, I don't know what kind of manpower, what kind of money they have to pay the labor there. Might be for their standards it's nothing but peanuts. But for some developing Asian countries, I think this is quite expensive. Not everybody can afford it. But I really wonder why do those European, Canadian, American and some other developed country professionals who are into this data recovery business since ages, why do they crib about pricing? I really don't know. The reason is because these guys are making around $800 for minimum job work of physical work. Not like us, we are taking like 25% of the pricing you take, but still we have the balls to buy the tools. So thank you Nicola sir for sending me this tool and permitting me to make a small video. This is just the unboxing video, but later on when we do a proper review of this, we'll inspect the product under a microscope also to see the build quality and compare the build quality of others. That will give us an idea what kind of quality we are talking about here. So all the pins are back into this product, so enjoy this. And I would say this is one of the first purchases anybody should make. This 2.5-inch, 3.5-inch Western Digital Rampset and the Seagate 3.5-inch, Seagate 2.5-inch, and also the Samsung and the Toshiba 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch Rampset. And after the Rampset is purchased, those two special Hitachi tools, one is for the 3.5-inch, one is for the 2.5-inch. Then a lot of those Rampless Seagate kits and the evergreen Seagate Rosewood Slim. But Western Digital Slim drives are not very common in India right now. But now I am seeing a trend that all the the latest 2 terabyte models of USB that I'm seeing are actually those slim models. But I don't know what is going to be their failure rate or their success rate in doing head swaps. But the time I start seeing those, this is the brand of tool that I will be ordering and then comparing it. So a lot of interesting things are coming up. I have some people who are sending me some more samples. This is not a sample, but they are sending me samples. So I will be able to compare those samples with this and give you an idea like what tools you can buy, what should be the system of you to buy the tools. So alright guys, so this is Amarbir, your host from Chandigarh Data Recovery in India, and see you. Cheers guys, bye bye.